Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage notification in PayPal. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. PayPal doesn't need some special introduction considering the fact it is one of the best and most trusted online payment system used by millions of people worldwide. Same as the other services, this one comes with notification. They can be sent to your email address or your phone number, and you can turn them on and off as you please. So in this video, I will show you how to manage your PayPal notifications. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, to how to open our PayPal account, you can open it on your mobile phone or your PayPal website using your laptop or PC. Here's I'm using my PC and open with the PayPal website. Now you can go to settings. Sorry, you can go to settings by click on the gear icon in here. From here, you can go to notification. Click on notification, and in here you can manage your notification on PayPal. You can choose how you want to get updates about your payments, low balance, and relevant marketing updates. Payment. PayPal will let you know when you pay under the PayPal users. People will send you email, request money. People will send you to your email. But if you don't want, you can just disable this toggle. And also have a problem with the payment, receive payment, and the social. People will let you know when you get a new message here. So you can manage your notifications, all your notification in here. If you want to get notifications from your email or not, you can also, maybe you don't like to get too many notification, you can just disable all this toggle in here. You can just turn off all the toggle in here like this. So people will won't send you email if there's request money, problem with the payment, receive a payment. But you can also enable all this feature like this. You can change the settings, notification settings anytime you want. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage PayPal notification. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.